Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We have another alternate card using some elements from the Ho 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 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm also adding the scalloped contour dies and the candy cane dies from the Sweet Candy Cane set and the leaf dies. And this is the iridescent paper that the stars were in. From the kit, and I managed to squeeze out 3 leaves, and I've used the real red and white glimmer paper from the seasonal catalog, and I've got some of the real red ribbon as well. So just a basic white card base, and I am going to attach, just flat mount the red glimmer and just pop it on the card like that. There we go. And I am going to add the ribbon to the white glimmer paper. So I'm just going to put some adhesive around the back like that. Run this around and adhere it again to the back like that. So we have that wrapped right round. And I am going to use dimensionals to lift this up just a little bit, and then we will build the front of the card. Not 100% sure how the front of the card is going to work because I haven't pre-made this one. I am winging it based on what I have in my head for ideas. So, and sometimes the reason that I don't pre-make the card is I only order 1 kit, so I don't have endless supplies of the pieces in the kit. But I am going to pop that down like that. And sometimes the best way to adhere to glimmer paper is using dimensionals. So I'm going to place these on here like this. And then the Mary would go across like that. And then I was thinking of popping these leaves in like this. And perhaps another one up here. So maybe I need to cross these a little higher up. I feel like I can hear you all shouting at your video going, no, no, do something different. So if I do that, that might work. So let's give that a whirl. I'm going to put a dimensional at the top of this candy cane and at the bottom. Okay, so we'll cross them right in the middle. So we'll go like that. And I will dimensionalize this one as well at the top and at the bottom. Okay. So there we go, those are attached. Now, I have got adhesive dots on the Mary. So let's see where those adhesive dots end up, whether they will work or not where they are. So if I pop this across like that, then it's adhered down, so that's good. And then I can put a bit of adhesive on the back of the leaves, and I'm going to pop one like that, and we'll have another one sneak out the bottom, I think, where they cross. So we'll just pop one in like that, and then we'll put the third one at the top on the other side, and that will look fabulous. So there we go. We have a card using elements from the Paper Pumpkin Kit in the Mary and the paper here, as well as elements from the Sweet Candy Cane set with the real red and white glimmer paper and the dies, and then the scalloped contour dies for the outside. So yeah, I like that one. So stay tuned and we'll create together again soon.